Okay, so the next step that we're going to do is we're going to manipulate the image in Photoshop using a few tools. Before we do that, we're going to duplicate our layer so that we can play around with it, and if we're not happy, we can always go back to the original version. So we go up to the paper file up here, and we click on there, and we click on duplicate layer, and then you can call it Medusa 2. Okay, and then you're going to select the paper file again and duplicate the layer and call it Medusa 3, whatever you want to call yours. Okay, so with one of those layers, I'm going to turn off my other two layers first, and I'm going to have one of my images that's sitting on the top selected. So because I've got this selected here, I know that image is selected. I'm going to go to Adjustments, Image, Adjustments, and then I'm going to play around with Hue and Saturation. So this box will open up, and I'll slide the cursors up and down, and you might see a few things happening with the colour. So it's a bit green, a bit of pink. Let's see what happens here with the lightness contrast. We can make it a bit lighter. So that's another way to manipulate the colour, for example. And then if you're happy with that, you can go OK. If you're not, just go cancel. So I'll go OK. Okay, so I'm going to turn that one off, and I'll show you another application. So Medusa number 2 needs to be selected, and then I will go to Filter and down to Stylize, and then across to Extrude. Let's see what happens here. Go OK. So then you have this interesting thing happening. So you could do something like that, and then it's stylizing your image, making it a lot more geometric and perhaps a little bit more interesting. So that's another option that you can do. Also see though that it's making it a lot whiter down the bottom, so then I would probably go back and change the text color of where it has author to maybe black or a different color that stands out against this white. So you need to think about things like that as well with your design. I'll turn that one off. Do I have another one I can use? Yes, I do. And so I'll go up to Filter, but see, I need to have this layer selected for it to work. So layer 2, and up to Filter, and down to Mezzotint. So you can have a look through all of these until you find something that is of interest. So Pixelate, so Filter, Pixelate, and then across to Mezzotint. Let's see what happens there. And I can adjust the density of that as well. So whether it's fine dots or thicker dots, coarse or grainy, medium lines, long lines, short strokes, medium strokes. Let's see what that looks like. So then you have something completely different again, and see my author is almost completely lost. Okay, so we have that happening now, and then the author, I think I need to fix that. So I will select that layer, I will get my text tool, triple click, and double click on the color palette, give it another color. Okay. All right, so that stands out a lot more. And then I'm going to File, Save My Document. And that's the next step.